Sir, on behalf of my party, I raise to support the bill. I congratulate the government, central government, for being accredited by the Global Alliance of National Human Rights Institution as A-grade status institution, which means that it's a fully compliant with the Paris principles adopted by United Nations Human Rights. Sir, secondly, this amendment will makes NHRC more inclusive because it comprises of chairman of National Commission for Backward Classes, Child Rights, and also Commissioner for Disabilities. These sections which face the most human right violations. Sir, secondly, the amendment resolves a lot of practical issues because the financial and administrative powers of the Secretary General and also the Secretary are well defined. Therefore, there is no confusion and they are not vague and well defined. Sir, the larger because the Supreme Court judges and also High Court judges and those judges who could not become the Chief Justice of the High Court or the Supreme Court, as the case may be, can become the chairman or members of NHRC. There is a larger pool of talent available with the central government. Therefore, they'll have more choice and so that the government can make it more effective, efficient, etc. Sir. And I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Home Minister, I would like to make one suggestion, sir. Sir, the Article 21 of the Constitution deals with the fundamental rights. If the human rights are violated, what options the citizens of India have got? They can either approach the NHRC or they can approach the court. When they approach the National Human Rights Commission or State Human Rights Commission in case of violation, the State Human Rights Commission or National Human Rights Commission will take the complaint and then issue the notice, and on which they will call for the counter from the other party. After the other party, police files the counter, and it has no power or manpower or the powers to investigate. It has got only quasi-judicial powers. It doesn't have any judicial powers because it can't be given judicial powers because a parallel body to that of the court can't be created. I am aware of the constraints there. But my request to the Honorable Home Minister is, in the event of judicial powers can't be vested with the Human Rights Commission, at least at the end after the report is submitted, it should have the power or it should be vested with the power of directing the police to file a case against the person who has violated the human rights violation, or in favor of the person who is affected party, sir. This is what my humble and sincere suggestion to the Honorable Home Minister. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.